it's Katie with WTI. I know you don't recognize me. It's because I'm reliving my glory days with this WildCos punk rock wig. This wig is just amazing. This is really high quality. I think 20 people tried this wig on during the party and it has held up so well. There's so much volume to this wig. This wig is also adjustable. So while my husband has a much larger head than I do, we could both wear it because I simply just needed to tighten it, and we can headbang and not have to worry about it falling off. It's also not so bulky that you could fit a cap over it if you want to change up your look just a little bit. The wig includes a hairnet, which I really appreciated, and so I was able to put it up comfortably. Whether you're going to a party, you're reliving your glory days, you're fulfilling a dream that you've always had, or you just want to go to the local mart and turn some heads and get some laughs, then you definitely need to check out this 80s wig. It is fantastic, and that's my point of view. Rock.